Hello, you are now looking at an e-commerce website that is created with WooCommerce on WordPress. So today we are going to talk about how to create a quick view on a category page. So a quick view will be the ability to just add to cart from the category page without having to enter into the product description page. So for example, for this kind of product that has only one type of variation, it is a simple product, you may just click the add to cart button and it is added to cart. But for something that has a variation, like a select options, you probably have to click on it and you come to this page to select your options before you may add to cart. So this is quite a hassle for some people who may wish to just shop from the category page itself. So we are going to include a QuickView plugin that may make things more convenient for your customers to add to cart. So let's get started. We shall go to the back end of this website, the WordPress backend, and at the sidebar you see these plugins, and we will add new. Now let's also search the keyword quick view. Okay, just search quick view. Now the one plugin that is free and extremely helpful, useful, and pretty much flexible design features for us to choose from as well, so that we may align the colors to our brand colors, is this one with one eye. The brown one with an eye is QuickView WooCommerce product. So it is by VP 956009. So this particular plugin, you can click on install. Okay, so activate. Okay, so if you see that it's loading here, it means that it is activating. Okay, so if this is your plugin page, if you scroll down your list of plugins, you may see it is already activated here. QuickView WooCommerce product. Now, let us go to our WooCommerce panel here, and you may see the QuickView settings here. You can click on it. Now here we can see some of the settings. Enable QuickView button, yes. Enable QuickView button on mobile also, yes. Okay, so some of these default settings, we don't really need to change them. Well, the only thing you may want to change will be the button title. You may want to just say quick add to cart, for example. All right, so you can key in whatever that you want, and then you save change. It's that simple. Go back to the front end, and you can see settings under so far. Okay, say quick add to cart. You click on this, and then you may choose from here, and then you can add to cart. Okay, and then you can close, and you may continue to browse the other products. So this is free plugin, and it is really useful and really good. Yeah, that's all. Thank you for watching.